I am in love with how these Bantu knots came out. Okay, I just got finished with a wash day, and if you want to know what I use, go ahead and check out my wash day video. I'll link it somewhere in this video. I go ahead and start with a heat protectant because I'm going to blow dry my hair. I make sure to get that all over my hair with a really good spray. Then I go ahead and rub my hands all through my hair to make sure it's evenly coated. Y'all, let me tell you, I think this may be my new favorite style. This is my first time doing this since I combed my locks out, and I did do Bantu knots on my locks before, but it didn't come out like this, of course, because my hair is loose now. But I go in and pre-section my hair so that it will be easy for me to blow dry. And if you want me to show you how I blow dry my hair, I did it for the first time the other day. I will link that video somewhere up in this video. Before I start blow drying, I want to make sure I get a good detangle. So I go in with my brush. I love this brush. I think this one is actually by Revlon or Conair. Anyway, I go in with my blow dryer, and I talk more about this blow dryer in my video that I will link up in the top or somewhere, maybe in the description box. But I'm not going to go too much in how I blow dry my hair, but I really love this blow dryer. So go ahead and check that video out. Oh my God, I was so tired. I go in with this spray. This is just to make my hair shiny, add a little bit of shine, but really I don't really need that product. It's just an extra step because the twist butter that I'm going to put in my hair is super moisturizing. I mean, I use this for my mini twist, and it kept my hair moisturized the whole entire time my mini twists were in. So I'm definitely going to use this more on protective styles. Now that my hair is blow dried, I'm going to go ahead and twist each 4 sections and making sure that they're all separated. This is just going to make it easier for me to move faster when I'm doing the Bantu knots. I feel like the first one is always the moment of truth. But anyway, take some of this cream and then put it on the blow dried hair. I just like to blow dry my hair first because I want it to be as stretched as possible. And you see me here wrapping, pretty much going in the same direction until I can twist my hair all the way up. And guys, this is not tight at all. You want to just twist until it's like all folded together, and then just slowly wrap your hair around itself until you see like a little knot, just like how I have it here. I have a really big mirror behind me, so that was just me checking the back of my hair to make sure that I didn't have any hair pulling. That's kind of why I'm doing parts. They're not like super straight or neat parts or anything, but I just want to make sure that I don't have any hair from the other section pulling, because that's when it kind of gets uncomfortable. Now that I'm all done, I'm going to go ahead and sleep with these in. I didn't sit under the dryer. This is the next day. And let's see how these came out. I'm going to take some of this tea tree oil and just put like a little bit so my hands are coated when I'm taking these out. I was honestly so surprised and so happy when I saw that first curl. I was like, oh my gosh, these are going to come out so cute. But yeah, so I'm just unraveling them here, and then I'm going to look at my little dance. Then I'm going to go ahead and separate them after I get them all unraveled. This hairstyle was super quick. I had 12 Bantu knots total, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start separating them. You want to be careful. I learned this kind of the hard way when I did with one of my knots. I think I picked it out too much, but you want to separate it like at its natural like separation. You don't want to like pick them out too much unless it's gonna kind of get frizzy. I go ahead and pick it out, and I wanted you guys to see exactly how long it took me to pick my hair out. Not too bad, but I just wanted to make sure I got all the parts out. Kind of wanted to make sure I blended pretty evenly. After picking my hair out, I went in with my fingers just to make sure all the parts were out and all the curls were laying how I wanted them to. And here's the finished look, guys. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me some comments down below, and I will see you on the next video. Love you. Bye.